Hi there. I'm going to quickly talk about how to perform a business entity search on the Vermont Secretary of State website. It's very straightforward. So let's just get right to it here. So you can search by name, by business ID, or by filing number. There's also an advanced search where you can add a few other parameters to really lower the amount of search results that come up. So first thing you'll want to do, regardless, is go to this web page. Let's go there right now. You see here you can go by business name, business ID, or filing number. So let's just start with this. I like to go with Smith because it's a good example and pretty good chance we're going to find something. You can also choose between starts with, exact match, contains, show me similar sounding business names. Let's just keep it as is. And you're going to see all these different entities. You got the status, the fiscal year month, registered agent name, a bunch of other information. Let's click on one that's active here. So Smith and Salmon. And here you're going to be able to see all the information on file with the Secretary of State. You can see the filing history. Not a heck of a lot there. So I got to go back. Name history, shares. Now let's return to search. So that's how you search by name. You also search by business ID. Which is probably pretty straightforward here. Let's see what we got. Looks like I already searched by one. All right, business ID. Now, if you search by business ID, you're going to get just the one result because there's only one entity for each business ID, right? And then same thing, you click on this, and you get all their filing history, name history, principals information, stuff like that. Oh, they make you go back, don't they? Okay. Filing number. See if we haven't searched by filing number already. All right. So filing number. What this will do is it'll allow you to search for a document that has been filed by a certain entity. So let's check this out. So it's Smith and McLean again, and what that filing number actually was an annual report number. So when I entered it, it showed the entity that filed the document that had that filing number. And then exact same thing, we're back on the business information page. Oh, again. Now these advanced searches, you've got a bunch of other options here. So we've got business type. So let's try domestic limited partnership. Let's keep this one blank. Business status, let's go active entities, registered agent name, let's go with Smith again. And then business name, this is going to be tough, we might not get anything here, but let's try it out. Let's try Smith again. All right, so say you've got that information, right? And then let's do these two. Now, with that information, let's see if we can't narrow down the results. See? So we got all these limited partnerships. At least the top three are limited partnerships. The registered agent Smith, and I guess Chimney is as close as they can get to the word Smith, and it's active. So it looks as though the top three results are the ones that best match the metrics of your search. And then you can use all these different parameters to really narrow down the results, which is super handy, especially if you only have a limited amount of information on the entity you'd like to research. Now, we always suggest that businesses use this function just to check the availability of their business name. So let's just make up a name. Let's do Beaner Corporation, right? We'll do starts with, and show me similar sounding names. You can, okay, but anyway, we're going to do that. And so these are all the names that are kind of similar to it. So there's Beamer, might be a problem, probably not. There's a Beanery Brewing. So these are things that you might consider. So seeing as there's Beanery Brewing, do I want to call myself that or call my corporation that? Maybe not, because it might get rejected. Now, if you were to type something like Jimmy Beaner, LLC, right? No, it shouldn't do that. And if nothing comes up that looks, see, no data found with your search criteria, beautiful. Means I could probably use Jimmy Beaner. At any rate, where were we? Let's head back here. That's essentially what this tutorial will go over. How to search by all those. And it's, as you can see, it's really straightforward. I hope that was helpful. Good luck, guys.